Alrighty, I'm going to show you how to fix this broken on these. Let's figure out which goes where here. I think that one. That one goes there. Alright. Let's take some super glue here. Some epoxy. Got some Permatex. Let's see. So I'm gonna prop the front of this up on my wallet like this to keep it up enough where I can put that down in there. And I should have put a little bit super glue on this. So we're gonna hopefully just set these right back down into place. Gotta glue them. I glue it by fingers, damn super glue. Fast acting it is. Now we'll set the other one in here. Maybe. Keep dropping it. You set that up there. That's gotta. I'm gonna get some right there in that where this sits. Might need a little pick or something to help maneuver that. What I'm going to do is just use one of the screws to help. There we go. Kind of maneuver that in place. Hold it there. Here we go. Try to fill in these cracks as best as possible here. Some super glues. Don't take much. There we go. We're gonna let it dry. Just let it dry. There we go. That way we can put the screws back in there. As you can see, I got it glued together. And I got the switch glued in. These back switches don't ever go out. The switch ever did, but this is broke anyway, so it's the best way I found to really fix it. So that's how I fix these. I just do it that's how I fix it. So I tell you, you got a 95, 6, or 7 Lincoln Town Car. They're the ones that did this. 90 through 94 kind of did it, but not near as bad. Something about the cheap plastic they used. So we're gonna you know. Everything. I'm just gonna let this sit dry. So that'll take a few hours. Then we'll go install it and whatnot. Probably after we do the power window, we'll install it. But I've got everything glued and holding and prop that up because when it sits down, it puts weight on that window motor. So it doesn't need to be anything real thick. I'm just using the weight of my wallet to kind of keep that off there, just like that. And so that's how I fix them. If there's a better way to fix them, I'm curious. I don't know of a way. You can't buy them new anymore that I know of. Just an affordable way to do it, a couple dollars, and super glue, Permatex. This is the glue I'm using, the Permatex. So I guess we'll see how long it lasts. I did this once before. Held up for many years. Did it in '97 executive. So that's all of it. That's been how to repair that.